Okay, students, I hope you all have done the worksheet by this time. Okay, and you all are having your exercise books ready with you. Okay, so let us follow the worksheet. And the word world journeys part, we had a chart, a table, and we were given certain hints, and we need to supply the most appropriate word. Okay, so for across, the first means in number 2, the details or the hint was given to us is a trip or journey in a car, and we get the word from the text only, that is drive. Okay, now in number 3, in across part only, we got the word or we got the hint, that is the travel between home and one's place of work, that is commute. Okay, then number 6, the across part only, a long challenging journey made on foot, that is trek. Yes, we all, and so we know the word trekking, right? So it's trek. Next one, a journey to a place of particular, often religious significance, that is pilgrimage. Now next one, in the across part, that is a holiday on a ship or boat, that is cruise. Okay, now let's come to down part, and we were given the hint for number 1, that is an expedition undertaken to complete a task or in search of something, that is obviously quest. Yes, you all know the word quest. Yes. Number 4, a long difficult adventurous journey, that is Odyssey. We know the word Odyssey. Yes, that is, yes, it's written by Homer. Yes, but here the word Odyssey means it's a long difficult adventurous journey, one after another. Okay, next one, number 5, a long journey involving travel by sea or in space, that is voyage. Now next one, a short journey for pleasure, that is trip. We often go on a trip, right? A journey on an animal, that is ride, horse riding. Yes. Okay, now let us focus on the suffix part with which we started our class today. So we were given certain words, that is value, big, emotion, for, rare, and we were given certain suffixes also, and we need to place them accordingly. So with the word value, we can add able, then it becomes valuable. Next word big, with the word big, if we add biggest, so the est, then the word becomes biggest, right? Then if we add al with the word emotion, it becomes emotional. With for, if we add th, it becomes for. With rare, if we add ly, it becomes rarely. Rarely we get such opportunity. Yes, that is rarely. It's an opportunity. Why did I say this sentence? Because if our days had been normal, we would have never tried to do whatever we are doing now, right? So it's rarely, it happens rarely. Okay, though it's now it's a serious situation, still, as for example, I explained this. Now let's come to the point, that is grammar time. In grammar time part, we were provided, yes, you all, yes, I know you all have understand, that is with this chart only I have tried to make you understand. So there only one word was provided, and you need 2 more or 3 more words in order to make me understand whether you all have understood or not, right? So for person part, we need to find out the words from the text only. So apart from Malala, we got more 3 names, we got some other names, and we need to find out 3 names from them. As for example, I have picked up Honey, Dr. Afzal and Sambul. Okay, Then in case of place, we were provided Swat and two more words, Peshawar, Shangla and Islamabad. For animals, camel was given over there. Now dog, cow, elephant, you can put anything. Answer may vary as per it's a sample answer, so it's nothing like that only these words will be the answers. It's sample because I cannot ask you the questions, we cannot have interactive session over here, that's why. Okay, now for things I have picked up book, pen, chair. For emotion, quality, idea, I have picked up fear, happiness, you can add anything. Okay, any abstract thing. Okay, which we cannot touch, we need to feel, we cannot purchase from the market, we need to have a mind that can somehow feel it. So you all can put all those things here. Activity, I have mentioned marathon, inauguration, anniversary, so you all can put anything. Okay, now let's come to the next part, that is we need to provide here. We were given in number 2, we were given a name of certain monuments. The part of monuments, it was blank, only specifically 4 names were given, that is proper noun. We need to find out the common factor, that is the Statue of Liberty, the Eiffel Tower, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, all are monuments, and we need to provide 2 more names. I have added Charminar, Victoria Memorial, you can put any name. Likewise, we were provided France, Afghanistan, Cuba, Spain, all these names are proper noun, and we need to find out the common factor among all these names, and that is name of country. So here we got 4 countries. Okay, and we need to supply 2 more countries. So obviously I am an Indian, so I am proud of India, I have added India, and another part Sri Lanka that I have added over here. So this was the worksheet part for today. I hope you all have done the worksheet seriously, and you have not taken help of anyone else except me and the study material. So carry on children, carry on, keep on doing your work, keep on reading. We all miss you. Obviously we will come together, we will meet again, and we will have our normal classes. So take very good care of yourself and keep on doing your works. Thank you.